This tutorial will show you how to edit text out of photos as well as many other skills you can use in Photoshop. Start by opening your picture in Photoshop. Use the polygonal lasso tool to cut out your subject. Zoom in so you can see the edges, then start tracing by adding points. Make a copy of the layer by dragging it here. Once you have it traced, go to Select, Inverse. Delete the selected area. Here's what you're left with. Select the other layer and use the polygonal lasso tool again. Sometimes Photoshop auto-completes your lasso. I can't figure out why, so I started deleting the background in sections instead of all at once. Now that the subjects are cut out, we can start working on the text. Zoom in again and use the magic wand tool to edit out the text. This only works on solid colored text. Select the letter with your mouse and hit clear. Some of the text is too small to use the wand, so you'll have to erase it manually with the eraser. Do the same to the other subject. To fill it in, use the eyedropper tool to select a color from the picture. Then use the mixer brush to fill the holes. Add highlights and shadows to make it more realistic. It's not perfect up close, as you can see here, but for our purposes, we don't need it zoomed in. It looks normal from the regular size. Now you can add any effects you want. I chose threshold. I use the slider to get an idea of the level it will need to be on. Sometimes it's difficult to see the face and the clothes on one level, so I split the image and threshold them separately. Copy and paste, and it will make a new layer. Then I can put a threshold with different levels. Select the two layers of the first subject. Then merge them using Layers, Merge Visible. This just means that Photoshop will merge the layers that you have visible. You can control this by clicking the eye beside the layer. Here's what it looks like against the original. Double-click in the empty space of the layer for more options. I added an outline. The outline can help you see the edges of the image if it's against a white background. Save it in whatever format you need. If you want to save it as a JPEG, you'll need to flatten the image, like this. You can save it as a PSD or Photoshop document if you want to work on it later. And that's all there is to it. Here's the finished product. Thanks for watching.